Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you a popular kind of makeup called soft glam makeup. My goal is to show how each girl can use Instagram trends in real life, but at the same time not looks like million other girls, but highlight your own beauty and looks trendy. Soft glam makeup is a nude colored but intense makeup which makes your eyes brighter, skin shiny but not dewy, and volume your lips. So let's get started. My skin was already cleaned and moisturized, so as a first step of my makeup I am using a fixing spray as a primer. At hot weather it's the best decision for me. I don't let it dry and apply foundation. I'm using my fingers for that. I think it's the best way to control thickness of coverage and it's profitable. At first I'm buffing foundation by my fingers and only after that I'm using blending motion. This is the best way to hide pores. This technique I use also with concealer and powder. My skin is not perfect, but I never use a lot of foundation. I believe it's necessary to leave my skin in natural look because it highlights and intense all over more nicer parts of my face. Cover by concealer all of shadows, dark areas and pimples. The goal is to cover by concealer all dark areas and blend the borders, but concealer shouldn't be moved or disappear. I'm using buffing motions to hide pores. Now I am applying contouring product to my face, eyes, lips and neck. Make the darkest point here and gently blend it. Just believe me, that's enough for cheekbones contouring. This technique allows you to make the most natural contouring because it's anatomic friendly technique. You shouldn't use contouring product only at one area, your cheekbones for example. Otherwise, it's gonna be looking as a fake. Everyone will see that you draw the dark lines. Another important point is the color which you use. In this makeup I am using intense chocolate cool color, which doesn't contain red pigment. I would recommend to prefer dark cool colors for daily contouring. It makes natural but intense shadow. We have to make dark lip contour and light center, because it's a trend which no sense to ignore. Plus, it will help us to get our goal. Our goal is to make lips more plumpy, more sexy. So I apply the same contouring product to my lips borders, little bit over liner of the lips in 3 points. And I apply more product to my lips contour, but I don't touch center of the lips. I think that's enough, and let's clean the borders by a concealer. By this motion, I'm lifting up the tip of my nose and make nose shorter. And now I'm gonna make eyelines by the same contouring product. I like brown eyelines. It looks soft and gentle, absolutely not vulgar. Plus my eyes are green, so brown color intense, they look greener. My eyelines will be pretty short, because my eyes are pretty narrow. I like it but avoid to intense this effect. So you should to make eyeline form depends of your eyes form. Okay, it looks nice, but a double brown eyelines by black eyeliner, only near lashes and between lashes. It makes eyes brighter. And clean the borders by a concealer. And it's eye contouring time. Never ignore lower eyelids, otherwise you make your eyes smaller. Don't follow your natural eye form, make shadow much higher than it should be. For that, look maximum straight to the mirror and just draw. Eyes should be opened. You should never use brow products contains red pigment. Prefer the products contains green pigment. For my brow makeup, I'm using a little bit of eyeshadows and clear brow gel. By the gel, I'm lifting my brows up. And I'm gonna use peach colored product for my lips and cheeks. But don't forget other parts of your face. This color should be everywhere. Otherwise, it's gonna be looking as a fake and makes no harmony. So, I apply this product to my cheeks, nose bridge, eyelids and middle of lips and blend in the borders with brown contour. As you can see, I mix chocolate and peach colors on my lips, on my eyes, on my cheeks, just on all parts of my face. And it creates a real harmony. Other people gonna look at you, but never guess what definitely catching them in your look. Chocolate cool color and peach color is one of my favorite match of this kind of lips makeup. And I'm using a clear gloss to make glass finish on my lips. Now I'm using a highlighter. You can use any highlighter you have. I have chosen color called champagne because it's not too light. My makeup is so caramel colored, so I think it's a harmony match. I apply it to my cheek, nose tip, nose bridge, cupid's bow, and so on. All the areas which I didn't touch but contouring product. To make my eyes brighter, I am mixing highlighter and fixing spray and apply it to my lids. This technique of using powdered product gives a metallic effect and intense color. Curling my lashes and applying mascara. I believe it's really necessary to make a black eyeline between lashes. I'm doing it with each my makeup. And finally, I'm using a powder to lock in my makeup. At first I'm using buffing motions and after that I'm blending the powder. So here it is one of the simplest way to make soft glam makeup. Everyone can repeat it because I used a minimum of products It looks harmony as well as I applying contouring all over my face. And peach color too, I doubled it not only on cheeks and lips, but and other points too. Frankly, Instagram inspired makeup looks is not my favorite. I prefer to inspire myself by fashion, street style and runway looks. But in this video, I had a goal to show how every girl can use Instagram inspired makeup looks in real life and look not like a doll, but like a real person. I believe we need to use makeup to highlight our own beauty, but not look the same as each other or someone. Our goal not to get makeup-ed. Our goal to highlight our personal beauty and let others to see it. For example, my eyes are green, so I'm using brown eyeliner. I'm making a shape of eyelines which is perfect for my eyes. So if you like this idea, if you like this philosophy, I'd like to invite you to my channel. Each of my makeup video has developed to this topic. And thanks for watching!